This problem I keep hearing about all the time. Someone has opened up their Elementor page or a template or even a website or something and it's not loading. Or maybe you've installed a plugin and your WordPress website's not loading up maybe. Maybe it's nothing to do with Elementor or WordPress, but something else on your website is just not opening up, or it's taking a really long time. Or maybe you added in a bit of code, but the code is not working, or maybe animation. I could go on and on and on, right? Time and time again, I forever see these problems. And the one thing I keep saying back to people is, have you right-clicked and inspected and checked console? And I don't think a lot of people either understand what I'm talking about or they're a little bit afraid. In this day and age of AI, stop trying to say, I know what that means, because even I don't know what half the things you're going to get back mean. But when you right click and inspect, whether you do it in Chrome or Edge or whatever you're using, and you go to console, or you've got a flag that like a red warning or an error, whenever you get a message, no matter how small a bug it is, just copy that and stick it into ChatGPT or whatever AI solution you're using. And just say or explain, my page is not opening, or my edit with Elementor is rotating, or my WordPress website is hanging, or I'm getting critical errors or whatever, okay? Just like when you do get a critical error, in fact, you know when you've done something, you've activated a snippet or you've changed something, and then you get the white screen of death, critical error, or the grey screen of death, or the white off-grey screen of death. You get a critical error, and 99% of the time, you're going to get an email that goes over to the website admin or the site owner, and it will usually be a complicated bit of code, like random characters, and this did not fail, no, this did fail, or critical error crap thing going on, right? Whether you get it from right-click inspect console or the critical error email, copy that error. I'm about to tell you what you do next, okay? And I've mentioned it already, but I just want to point out, so many people have said to me, oh, I used your code snippet and I got a critical error. What was the error? And when they do send me the error, it was nothing to do with the code snippet. It was actually because they had something else on their website that caused a problem. And if they had addressed that, they wouldn't have had the problem. But when you get that error and you go to your AI solution and you explain the problem and what happened or what you were trying to do, and you paste in the error, it will most likely tell you how to sort that out. And then all you got to do is go sort it out. So stop posting in forums and saying, this ain't working, that ain't working, my page ain't working. Help yourself out first. Right-click and inspect console errors, check it out with AI, and if you're still feeling lost or you still can't solve it, now when you come to the forum to ask you a question, you will be better informed of what you're asking, rather than, my page ain't loading. I don't know. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. See you soon. Take care. Bye.